Hi, let's talk real quick about the call to action buttons that we're using. Do you want to use a red one, a green one, a blue one? It's a little bit more complex. It's all about visual hierarchy and high contrast. Okay, there's a post in the show notes if you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com and look for this episode. Oh, happy June, by the way. The notes also contain something about the word interstitial. And if you don't know what that means with your advertising online, today's the day you need to learn that and find out about that, because that's equally as important. And so I want to thank you for taking time out of your day for this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. Be sure to subscribe to us and check us out on YouTube. You can read the show notes and you can look and learn. It's a wrap.